Imagine a cordless freedom. If everything went cordless, the world would be much tidier. If everything went cordless, our lives would be much simpler and so much more refreshing. A world free from being tethered to cords. That exciting idea is coming to your home. Enjoy cordless freedom. LG Cord Zero.
LG 코드 제로는 2000년대 초반부터 연구가 시작됐습니다. 그리고 수많은 노력과 시행착오를 거쳐 10여 년 만에 청소기 카테고리에 있어서 모든 코드레스 라인업을 완성했습니다. 그 핵심 기술은 세계 어떤 제품보다 우수한 배터리와 모터 기술에 있습니다.
We surveyed over 5,000 consumers from around the world and thoroughly analyzed what they thought and wanted.
Oh, I know. With vacuum cleaners, the cord can be such a pain. I always end up tripping over it. Is there any vacuum cleaner whose cord doesn't get all tangled up?
It is always the cords. It would be nice if I could clean my house without having to constantly plug and unplug the vacuum cleaner.
I wish I could enjoy and have fun while cleaning instead of having a hard time.
Vacuuming can be fun. This was our main mantra during research and development. What resulted was doing away with the cord altogether. And as such, we named the project LG Cord Zero. No cords, but exceptional suction power and long battery life. Would this really be possible? So all of LG's most advanced technologies had to be pooled together. We started with the inverter motor technology in our LG washing machines. We scaled back on the weight and size while improving efficiency by 13%. Add a 10-year warranty, and thus came about our new smart inverter motor. To be able to fully optimize the motor's capabilities, we paired it with LG Chemical's electric vehicle battery technology, a forerunner in the world. Using the smart inverter motor, we maintained suction power equivalent to that of corded vacuum cleaners and managed to provide a maximum 40 minutes of battery life in one charge. All this means the average household can be cleaned in one convenient go. We reduced possible fatigue caused by moving the vacuum here and there by implanting it with LG's proprietary RoboSense technology. It intuitively follows and stops per the user's movements. And using scientifically proven airflow engineering plans significantly strengthened the Cord Zero suction power. With regards to design, we opted to be different, to be innovative.
The concept of our design is the high performance and durability of a sports car.
Silver coloring, metallic materials, and beautiful arcs accentuated its hidden prowess. The world's first canister type, hand stick type, robotic, and bedding type, we succeeded in creating a full lineup of cordless vacuums for the home. And then there's the testing. 120,000 mobility tests, 2,200 hours of battery charging and depletion. Strength tests of up to 40 Gs. These tests helped us determine if the vacuum cleaner would prevail in even the most unimaginable circumstances. Ergonomics tests using motion technology assess whether the user's manual force has been minimized at best. And even brainwave scans to determine which color palettes consumers prefer. It was these relentless tests that brought into fruition the Cord Zero. Through marketing campaigns and advertisements, the complete final product is sent out into the real world to be tested by consumers and gain feedback. We make sure our lines of communication with consumers are always open.
Wow, cleaning is so much easier since I can move freely around without the cord.
Now with no cord, I can vacuum outdoor places like the patio easily, which I couldn't have imagined before.
It is really convenient since I can clean the entire house with a single charge.
Now I'm not stressed out when I'm cleaning. I'm actually enjoying it.
LG 코드 제로는 청소기 100년의 역사를 다시 쓰고 있습니다. 전 세계 소비자들에게 스마트하고 편리한 생활을 제공하는 것, LG는 이 일을 끊임없이 계속해 나갈 것입니다.
Powerful suction. Smart moving. Say goodbye to cords. Say hello to convenient. Discover the new joys of cleaning. Enjoy cordless freedom. LG Cord Zero.